Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, so let's go.
ये रहा आपका पैसा. Here is your money. Here is your money. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. वह घर पर हो सकता है. He could be at home. He could be at home. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. कार रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. मेरी शर्ट को इस्त्री करो. Iron my shirt. Iron my shirt. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. कमरे में कोई नहीं है. There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. क्या तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो? Can you call me? Can you call me? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. संतरा छील दो. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. सिर पर तेल लगा लो. Apply the oil in your hair. Apply the oil in your hair. कार में बैठ जाओ. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.